started off the welding by welding the back to one of the sides.
Then we tacked on the front and one of the angle pieces.
We did a full weld on the inside of the angle because we wouldn't be able to access it.
We ground this weld, even though you'd never see it, just because we want it to feel good.
Now we're tacking the bottom on from the inside.
We tacked in this air vent piece and then proceeded to do full welds.
So this is not an ideal weld because you don't have metal to metal. So
There's a void.
So I lowered the feed and speed. So just watch how I deal with it.
Yeah.
I'm going slower and I'm letting the metal melt in and close that void.
Then we did full welds on all the outside pieces.
We tacked on the legs off camera and the rocket stove was done.